I know the funny thing about this, unless we forget, you remember a couple of years ago they introduced a special consumption tax on gas. And that reason for that special consumption tax is to fix the road. Where is that tax allocated now? Where it gone? They said it was supposed to fix the road. Is it being used to do something else? No problem. But what about the road? Why neglect the road? That is my concern. Why neglect the road? And they tax it twice. So what happened to all those money that being allocated? Every day gas sell. Every day gas sell. And taxi and bus operators buy the most gas. So we are telling me where's those millions of dollars that is allocated on an annual basis? Tell me, where does it go? Sewage is unbearable because the drain is blocked, the sewage is overflowing, and the road right now vehicles are stuck in it. So we are asking the relevant authority to see what they can do to resolve this problem. We understand that we have sore foot everywhere, but we need to sort out through one as Jamaican. You understand? It's not about the J or the P. It's about fixing the problem that we have right now. So if you notice right now, the cars they are turning off to the Eastwood Park Road because they have no other alternative route. Waltham Park Road is in a bad condition.
We're working at deplorable condition. We are suffering on the Waltham right now. We need the road to be fixed. New tires on the car, babies who have rims, chopped tire, chopped rims. Control arm, shocks, parts them there, I feel I may drive. And trust me, one of the shocks them are 30 grand. So you know 4 shocks how much that does. It's not normal to fix the carry them out here. Serious. We are going through a really bad condition right now. If the road fixed today, tomorrow NWA dig up the road. And them just throw some mall in there, them now fix it back. We are asked for the relevant authorities to come now, today, because we're not leaving today. We're not going to work or put our service back on the road until this road is fixed. We're not moving. So the relevant authorities, we're asking please and thanks to come to our aid today. Please and thanks. Blessed one.